Good evening, everyone. Hoare formalism. What is meant by Hoare formalism here? For a configuration of greater than of filled shells, it is simple and more convenient to work out the term by the considering the number of holes, that is the vacancies, in various orbitals rather than the large number of electrons actually present. For example, you take the carbon atomic number is 6, again 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 2p2. So we have 2 electrons here. So in these 2 electrons, again they have 2 holes. Again another oxygen, it is atomic number 8, 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. Again they have 2 electrons and 2 holes. So here the vacant positions are called as here holes. Again the D2 configuration, we have 2 electrons and 2 vacancy positions of these corresponding at 2 holes. Here also 2 holes. So here we get same terms for the atoms or ions with the following pairs of configuration. What is nothing but Pn and P6 minus n. Here P2 is there, 6 minus 2 is nothing but P4. Whereas Dn, for example, you take D2, 10 minus 2 is nothing but D8. So the example for the derive for P4 configuration ground state term symbol for oxygen, for P2 configuration ground state of the carbon. Same are both are same. It is nothing but the P2 configuration we get triplet P2, triplet P, and triplet P2, and triplet P1, and triplet P0. So these are derived from the configuration of that particular terms. If it is P2 configuration, the ground state term symbol for the least J value, which is less than or filled, we again further we discuss about the Hund's rules. This is the ground state term symbol. Where for P4, this is the ground state term symbol. Why? Because the highest J value is the ground state. Whereas D2 and D8. So here also we get triplet 3F4 and triplet F3, triplet F2. So here for the D2 configuration, the ground state term symbol is triplet F2, which is the least J value, whereas D8 triplet F4 is the J value is very highest J value. So however, the oxygen has more than or filled configuration, whereas carbon has less than or filled configuration. Their ground states may be varied. Varied means that ground state is becomes high excited state, that excited state becomes to ground state. According to Hoare formalism, Dn and D5 plus n configuration have same pattern during the splitting of terms. So pattern means so how the electrons are split like this. For example, in the D1 case and D2, D5 plus 1 is nothing but 6. In two cases the splitting is same. The pattern of splitting is same. Okay. So the overall the definition is the holes in completely filled shells behaves endly as electrons is less than or filled shells. Here holes are considered as vacants as positions. It's called as Hoare formalism. Okay. So we have different configurations. We have different terms. These terms are obtained from that. We draw the diagram like this. So they are the diagrams. These electrons are filled like this. For the P1, they have the possibility. For P2, they have one possibility is like this, one possibility is like this. So based on the different pattern, we get the different states are nothing but terms of the particular different configurations. Okay. The next one is energy of ordering of terms. In the examination, they ask what is the energy order of the terms are Hund's rules. So in the terms obtained from the for configuration should be arranged in their order of energy. What is the order? So this order is obtained from this energy of terms can be obtained from the Hund's rule. The first one is among the terms of the configuration, those with maximum spin multiplicity have high lowest energy is nothing but, for example, in the discussion of these three. So these two in the for the D2 configuration, triplet F and triplet P, both are highest spin multiplicity. So these two are the possibility of the lowest energy level. Again, among the terms with the same spin multiplicity, those with largest L value will be the lowest energy. So here triplet F and triplet P. So here the L value of the p orbital is 1. Here the L value of the p orbital is 3. Okay, so this is the highest L value. So triplet F is the ground state. Again, for the terms with the same spin multiplicity and L value is high. So in this case, the lowest level is with the maximum value of J value.
Mama.
If the minimum value of J value with the configuration is less than of field.
Mommy.
So here
Mommy.
triplet F4 and triplet F3 and triplet F2. So this is the
Mommy.
least J value. Least J value. So it is the ground state for the less than of field for the D2 configuration. Whereas the lowest level is that maximum value of J value if the configuration is more than of field. So D8 is a more than of field. So the triplet F4 is the J value, highest J value is the ground state. So these rules for the energy sequence of the terms may not hold through strictly for all configuration. The rules only provide guidelines for the sequencing of terms. So for example, you take the D2 configuration according to the order. So it is like this: triplet F, triplet P, and singlet G, singlet D, singlet. But according to the experimental data, they get triplet F is the ground state, and triplet singlet D, and triplet P, and singlet G, and singlet S. So they have the terms which is derived from the D2 configuration. The energy order is like this. So this configuration undergoes interelectronic repulsions. We get terms. These terms undergoes LS coupling or spin orbital coupling. We get states. So again these states are go for the Zeeman effect. Zeeman effect means we called as electromagnetic field approach is called as Zeeman effect. We get that microstates. So according to the formula, you get the microstates of the D2 configuration is 45. We derive from the each one configuration. This is the 5 microstates, 7 microstates, 9 microstates. So here the J value is 2J plus 1. There is nothing but you put 2 value here. 2 into 2 plus 1, 5. Here we put 3, 2 into 3 plus 1, 7. Here 4, triplet 2 into 4 into plus 1. Here 2, 2 into 2 plus 1, 5. Here 0, 2 into 0 plus 1, 1. Triplet P1, it is a 2 into 1 plus 1, 3. And 2, 2 into 2 plus 1, 5. And it is 4. J value is 2 into 4 and plus 1. It is nothing but 9. And it is J value is 0. 2 into 0 plus 1 is 1. So all that microstates we can calculate here, and addition of these two 40 we get 45. Again based on the formula in the previous class we discussed how can you calculate the microstates. These also get 45. So this is the evidence. What are the profile energy level diagram for the D2 configuration you write. Simply some of the examination they are asked. Write the energy profile level diagram for splitting of D2 configuration means you can write all these things. So in this topic we have 3 questions. First one is what is Hoare formalism. Second one is what is the energy level order, or are nothing but Hund's rules. Then they ask the question. The third question is write the energy level profile diagram for the D2 configuration. So this is the answers. Okay. Good luck.